Now, let me introduce you to the pen tool family. If you are using the pen tool, these are the tools you'll be using alongside it. So the first one is the pen tool itself, which you have used. The next one is the free transform tool. Let me tell you, you will never use it. So this one, what we use this to do is that maybe you want to make a path around the shape. So all that you need to do is to draw with a free form tool around the shape, and at the end of the day, it is going to give you that shape that we have been using a pen tool to do, but it is not accurate. Maybe you are using the pen with the tablet, which is going to help you achieve your purpose. But to be frank with you, you will never use this tool. Alright, so next is the add anchor point tool. The add anchor point tool help you to add a point to a shape, and then from there you can control it. That's simply what it does. It helps you to add an anchor point to a shape, and you can control it from there. Now, the opposite side is delete anchor point tool. So the delete anchor point will help you to delete a point. So when you select the point, you just click and then you can delete it. Alright, so that's all it is. Just select a point and delete it. Now, the other one is the convert point tool. So with the convert point tool, let's say I have this shape and then I don't have any handle. So I want to introduce a new handle. The perfect tool to use is the convert point tool. So you just have to click on it with it, and it is going to help you introduce the handle. That's simply what it is. So it helps to introduce handles, it helps to control handles, it breaks handles. Maybe you have a curve and you want to turn it into a corner. It is the convert point tool which you are going to use to do that. So with the convert point tool, you just click on a corner to make it a curve, or you just turn a curve to be a corner. So it introduces handle, it breaks handles, and it bends handles. So that's what the convert point tool does. So you literally have to know what the convert point tool does, and you don't have to even come and click on the convert point tool. By clicking on the pen tool so that it view all the tools, and then you select the convert point tool, you just have to click on your Alt key on the keyboard so that you have access to the convert point tool, and boom, from there you are going to make changes to your shape. Alright, also the curvature point tool help you to move a point. So maybe you have this point, you can click on it and move it to where you want it to be, and you can also use it to create a new point, like using the add anchor point. So the curvature pen tool also help you to add a new anchor point where you can use that to introduce a new point as well. And also the curvature point tool also help you to draw a nice shape. So when you are drawing a shape, it will help you to trace the shape according to how you want it. That one is going to be in a different video. That's where you are going to dive deep using the curvature pen tool.